Hi all. So React 18 Alpha is out. So today let's take a look at one of the features that's introduced in React 18, that's the concurrent suspense. So now I have created a sample React application using create React app, and I have also converted it to React 18 Alpha using npm install react @alpha and react-dom @alpha. So even though I have installed the React 18 Alpha packages in my application, I am still running the application in React 17 mode. So this is the way which we usually run the React DOM.render. So this method is still available in React 18, but it can be used to run only in the React 17 mode. So now let's see what changed in the Suspense API in React 18. So as you know, prior to React 18 also the Suspense API is available. So for running it in the React 17 mode, I have created an application here and I have added a suspense with a fallback loader. So inside the loader, I have added a use effect and I am console logging it loader effects, and also I added a cleanup handler which will be run once the loader application is unmounted. So let's go back to the app. Now inside the suspense I have three elements: the heading, the calc and the footer. So out of these, only the calc element is actually lazily loaded. So the other two sibling elements, the heading and the footer, these are actually static elements. So if you go inside, in each of these elements, I have added a console.log in a use effect. So in the footer as well, I have added it. And inside the calc, which is a dynamically loaded component. So inside the calc component as well, I have added a use effect. And also inside the calc, there is another component called result. So if we go inside result, there also I have added a use effect. Now let's run our application and see what happens. So when we run, first we receive a warning message here. So it says that the React-DOM.render is no longer supported in React 18 and you should switch to 18. So unless we do so, the application will be running in React 17. So now let's go to our console messages. So ideally we would be expecting that unless the suspense is resolved, that is the calc is loaded properly, the loader will be executed first. So here if you see, you can see that actually the heading and the footer, which are two statically loaded files, so these are getting executed first. So after that only the loader gets executed, and once the loader is cleaned up, then the calc and the result effects will get executed. So this is a problem that is present in React 17 suspense. So why does this occur? Now let's throttle our network and also inspect our element. So let's refresh the application. So here you can see that the header and the footer elements, these are actually getting added to the DOM, but they are hidden using the display none property. So that's why the effects of the heading and the footer got executed prior to the loader. So even though they are not visible in the view, they are still actually present inside the DOM. So in React 18, they have fixed this issue. So now let's make our application run in React 18. So for this, we need to modify the index.js. Here inside React DOM, we have a new method called create root, and inside that we can pass the root element, and within the root we have a method called render, inside which we can call our application. And let's comment out our legacy code and let's refresh our application. after removing the throttle. So now you can see that the application works as expected. Initially the loader effects are executed, and once the loader effects, the cleanup is run, then only the heading, the calc, the result and the footer effects are executed. So now it's working as expected. And now let's throttle and see whether the heading and footer elements are present in the DOM. So let's refresh the application. So now you can see that none of the elements are present when the loader is there, and once the loader is removed, then only all the three elements are getting added to the DOM. So now let's take a look at a new feature called suspense list, which is also introduced in React 18. So a suspense list, basically inside that you can provide multiple suspense with fallbacks. So here the calc component, which is dynamically loaded, is provided in a separate suspense, and I am using the fallback loading calculator here. Also inside the footer component, I have added an asynchronous call to get the data. So it basically is a mocked up API. So inside a promise, I am calling a set timeout, and after 3 seconds, I will be resolving the data. So that also I have added in a new suspense with a fallback loading footer. So the suspense list actually can have two props. So one prop is the reveal order. So it can have three options, either forwards or backwards or together. We have a second prop called tail. So tail can have two values, either it can be collapsed or hidden. So now let's try out the collapsed option, and here the reveal order is forwards. Now let's refresh our application. So now you can see that initially the first fallback, that is loading calculator, is displayed, and after that the loading footer is displayed. So basically the order in which the fallback is revealed is from the top, like first the loading calculator and then the loading footer. And since we gave collapsed at a time, only a single fallback will be displayed. So now let's try backwards. So now you can see that the footer alone is getting displayed here. So the loading footer is displayed and nothing else will be shown. This is because the order in which the fallbacks are displayed is from bottom to top. So initially the loading footer will be shown. Since the footer is resolved only after 3 seconds, and by that time the loading calculator is already resolved, it will not be showing the loading calculator. So now a third option is there called together. So with together you cannot give a tail option. So let's try with providing a tail option. You can see that it provides a warning here. So let's remove the tail option. So with together what happens is it will show both the fallbacks and it will show the loaded elements only once both of them are resolved. So here, since the loading footer takes 3 seconds to resolve, the entire dynamically loaded things will be shown only after 3 seconds. Now let's try out the hidden option in tail. So together we cannot use tail, so let's change to forwards. So now actually you can see that the fallback is hidden, and that is the use of tail. Now if you use backward as well, the same thing will happen and the application will be empty. So you can see that a blank page is displayed, and only once everything is ready, at that time it will be rendered in the view. So in case we didn't provide a tail option, it will be displaying all the fallbacks. So you can see that both of them are displayed on the screen, and similarly the forward also will have the same effect. Well, let's refresh our application. Both the fallbacks are displayed, but first the loading calculator will be resolved, and after that the loading footer will be resolved. Hope you were able to get a good understanding of the changes that happened to the Suspense API in React 18, and also get a better understanding of the new feature Suspense list. See you soon. Thank you.